Welcome to the AI in Teaching workshop at Thunderbird School of Global Management, Arizona State University. Today we are excited to explore the possibilities of artificial intelligence in education and how it can enhance the teaching experience for both faculty and students. Throughout the day, we will delve into various topics such as the introduction of AI and emerging technology, ASU initiatives on leveraging AI in higher education, and practical use of AI in content creation, testing, grading, and student feedback. We will also discuss AI use cases within Thunderbird faculty and provide a platform for discussion and Q&A. Our goal is to provide you with valuable insights and tools to incorporate AI into your teaching practices, ultimately improving student engagement and learning outcomes. We believe that by embracing AI, we can create a more personalized and efficient educational experience for everyone involved. So get energized, excited, and ready to be inspired by the possibilities of AI in teaching. We hope you enjoy the workshop and leave with new ideas and strategies to implement in your own classrooms. Thank you for joining us today, and let's dive into the world of AI together.